flyers were sent. It was done. It was sent to. But yes, Mr. Rantu, I sent him and I requested him, please.
In the hospital. It is appalling. I'm sorry. I'm an old nurse, so I know how to scrub. And
Government can't put a proposal to them to start manufacturing these so that they can supply to hospitals so that we're not faced with these circumstances.
And of course, I mean,
I'm from the Songkosong Panorama. We welcome you to your province because this is the province that was really for Fiji First.
one of the focus this year is to, customer focus. It's on the agenda. Customer. We will be training our nurses.
But there are people in the community that can afford it. We have a standard $50 a night plus meals to SDM.
Yes.
I'm just
Yes.
saying hello, how you feel.
Yes.
If there's anything you need.
Yeah, that's
Yep.
I mean, it doesn't make.
work. It's acute, and the first 4 beds in the men's side. That's
It's not separate. It's
When
part
they-
of.
they-
But that's where it's near to the nurses station.
well, I understand that, but then again, listen, I know you have him a nurse.
Said to her, that's not acceptable. That bathroom is disgusting. Your job is to clean it, and this is how you do it. And we got in and we showed her how to do it. From then on, when we